I booked a club room, which is a free flow alcohol included. If I'm not wrong, it's whole day. I can just leave my bike there. Hopefully it will not rain today. I'm going to show you the lobby. It's a very beautiful onsen hotel that you should stay here at least for one night. The lobby here smells very good. I'm not sure how the club lounge looks like. I will show you as much as I can. Check-in is very fast, but first I'm going to show you that the plane is approaching. I think it's for Japan Airlines. This is a swimming pool and the breakfast is right over there. Once you check in, they will give you a breakfast voucher like this. And then also what I call a list of the benefits. So breakfast is 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. until 10:30 last order. Then dinner will be 5:30 to 9:30. So lobby lounge, I think what I can have is all day alcohol until 11 p.m. Please do not bring your own food. And then for the onsen will be until 6 a.m. in the morning until 12 midnight. You have to bring 100 yen coin to put a locker for your shoe, but you can return back after that. Then diaper and tattoo person are not allowed to enter. Very sad. Then laundromat at 6 a.m. until 12 midnight, which is very good. Washing is 200 yen, and then drying is 100 yen. Not too bad. And then there's massage as well. So on the 4th floor there are vending machine, and then there are also the ice machine, microwave as well. It's a lovely thing that to come to this hotel. Oh hi, just right over here. Thank you very much. So I've ordered my beer and my amowari. Yeah, thank you. So that it is. I'm going to enjoy right over here. It's not too cold. And one lovely thing is they will give you a 2 set of the cloth. One is bathrobe you only can use in the room, and then one is this one you can bring wear outside. Other than that, you can also get a map of this Umikaji map, and also a 500 I think coupon, 500 yen coupon. Then I think I can just use that for anything if I want. I'm thirsty, been talking so much, and oh wow, hey, this one is 800 yen per bottle, selling in some of the hot spring. And I got the different types of the what they call beer. They use 100% coral water. I have no idea what is coral water. So right over here it says that it's an underground water created by coral from limestone cave called Gyukusendo in Okinawa. So it's not the in the sea. But yesterday I tried that. The one is very nice. Then another plane come in. So hopefully my room is not directly facing the plane. Although I love plane spotting, but it's gonna be annoying to keep hearing the plane approaching. Then this is the amowari. Oh wow, this is a good amowari. Very smooth. I just tried to get myself drunk a little bit before I go to the room. So I had 2 beers and 1 amowari, and half it. Anyway, I think I booked the smallest room for the club room. They call it Aji room. Aji is kind of like the royal family in the past in Okinawa. The room is a little bit small. I think I confused and I booked something wrong. So this is my room. Doesn't matter, but it's quite luxury a little bit. Bedroom slipper, bathrobe, laundry bag, and this one I think you can wear it around. I think extra toilet paper. Bedroom slipper. I will show you the room. I got the airport view, which is right over there. Can't really see much like plane takeoff or anything, but it's good that it's quite quiet, and my bike is somewhere around here. And this is my room. They have this very cute thing that good support. So I think can just lie there whole night. And this thing to teach you to how to make origami, which is a paper crane. I can't make the crane with this box on the back, so I can learn something like that. It's a notice that tell me that there's a renovation on the rooftop. It should be fine. Then the suite from Okinawa. It's a double bed, but it looks a little bit small to me. So Nespresso with 6 capsule with tea, powder creamer, sugar, drinking water, and this is quite a beautiful glass. A very small fridge I never see in my life. That we can fit 2 drinking water and some beer there. Very small, safe. Very cool Kenwood sound system. And then they were saying that they will provide luxury shower amenity, and they provide one per essential mask, fertilizing cream, moisturizer, lotion. Moisturizer rich lotion, cleansing cream, and relaxation sheet. I'm not sure what is that about. And then the hair dryer, surrounded by the clear blue ocean due to the hotel beautiful nature. For the understanding, you are not under okay. Extra blah blah blah. Smart TV. One power plug on the bedside. The bed. Oh, the lamp. The room 2. I don't see anything different. Room 1. Just off the light only. 2 extra power plug over here. Very soft. Let's go to see the bathroom. Ta-da! So it was saying that it's a luxury amenity. I only see L'Occitane over here. Shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and body lotion. Oh, finally have a body lotion. And the body towel, cotton bud. Very cute toothbrush, 2 different color. Shaver, comb, and bidet. And this is a very cool control. I never see something like that. And a very small bathtub, but it's good for you to stretch a little bit, and you can overlook into the room. The most amazing thing that they show is this shower, handheld shower, that say that the luxury item. So oh yeah, I think the what they call, the shampoo should be something good. Let me open up the hair dryer. Sorry. I think Amowari is basically a very strong drink. I had Amowari last night and then I sleep like a dead people. So that is a hair dryer. Yeah, not bad. A good hair dryer. So I'm going to the onsen in the bed. Kind of like high now. In this island is kind of remote, so it had nothing much. I have to make sure I have enough food. Then I go to the onsen, then I go to the terrace, the island terrace to get my dinner. Then I'm going to have a early night. They give the late checkout 1 extra hour. I can check out at 12 p.m. Then I will check out 12. Then I'll go to the Amowari Center. You can experience a little bit. Then I'll go to the airport. So tonight is the night for me to relax and get drunk. After soaking in the onsen, I think I should come to have dinner first, because at the hotel restaurant they only serve 2 types of the set dinner. Extremely expensive. So I searched on Google Map and I found one of the shop have got the highest rating, which is that they have this lady cam over here. Oh, I like her. She's a very real, very straightforward lady. They have a very good review over here, and I ordered for this one, the small portions, and also this one. I think it should be like two of this mixed together into one, I think. And it's a very small, unique restaurant over here. You either can sit right inside or you can sit right outside. So it's a little bit hot for me after soak in the onsen. And I grabbed a quick alcohol before I came over here. It's very cozy. Oh wow, someone is cycling in the dark with a backpack. Anyway, this is a very cozy area. It has like 4 different story of unique shops. Tomorrow then I will show you around a little bit of this Umikaji Terrace. It looks like this. So if you're not even staying in this hotel, if you have time, you actually can come over here. You have a lot of hip cafe restaurant for you. So as a hotel guest, I get 500 yen voucher, so I can use it for the F&B. Check out the dinner that I've ordered over here. Small udon. I'm not sure what it is, but this is that popular lady. She ordered that. Raw tuna and avocado and rice, and hand roll. I'm not sure what it is this, but I saw there's some sauce right inside, so I'm going to take the sauce over here. This should be the wasabi oil and okay, thank you. That was hand sanitizer. I am starving after the what they call sea grape thing. I had so little food for today for like 50 plus kilometer, right, with a lot of the upslope and downhill. The weather is so dry, and then I got my lip crack. It's so delicious. Crack. Ow. You need to apply lip balm all the time when you are riding, because the wind is keep blowing to your face. The first thing to dry out is your lip. This is delicious. They have one thing is called the wasabi oil in Okinawa. I never seen it any other place in Japan. I love it. It's oily, literally oily, but it have a hint of wasabi. It's so good. Oh. Oh, so hot. The raw egg is for the tuna, so I'm going to put all this in. I do have good confidence with the Japanese raw, everything raw. So I will just eat it. Let me try the salad first. It's very windy here. Your salad might fly away. So good. And there's some pickle over here. Let me try the tuna with raw egg and avocado and rice. I think you can have this combination in Tokyo, but since they have a good rating on Google Maps right over here, I'm gonna give it a try. See how tasty it is. I need soya sauce. It's getting cold here. A little bit regret to sit here, but I have to enjoy fullest because once I go back to Singapore, gonna be very hot and humid. Breakfast is right over here. You can get the juices. Then Okinawa mixed rice.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So you have to choose the rice, and then you can get the tea juice, tomato juice, I guess, and the coffee, jasmine tea. I'm going to get the orange juice and then I'll show you the breakfast. For those like club room guests, they have a special area which is like the plain view area. Breakfast is served. It's a very amazing breakfast. So there's a tofu soup and the roast bowl order. Thank you. And you have a small little note over here to tell you that what is the breakfast, because it has 3 tiers. This is easier to show you. So these are all the breakfasts. This one the last tray, and I cannot really understand what is what, but I try my best. So this is at the bottom, which shrimp and bitter gourd or bitter melon, and this one at the middle. This one, it has cooked food, the fish, some little thing from Okinawa, and vegetable. And the top tier is this one, still soft bone, and then rice, and then the pickle. Yeah, and what else? So it tell you that the different of the Okinawa, what they call the cutlery. It's very cool, right? Like it's first time to have a 3-tier breakfast. I'm going to try the tofu first. Oh, the tofu texture is very different, very unique. It's not like the regular tofu I had in Singapore. It's just like this. The bite is different. I don't know how to describe it. It's very interestingly, when they serve the tofu, they never serve it in a cube. They scoop it up and then like in a very weird shape. But it's very nice. Okay, so I'm going to start from my first tier, I guess. I guess it's the way that you enjoy it. It's like tier by tier. Let's try with the pickle. I love pickle. Very tasty. And also, they allowed to refill the rice because the rice is very tasty as well. And let's try the soft bone. I think I'm just gonna scoop out like this. Wow, very tasty. Let me enjoy my breakfast. So I am about 5 kilometers away from the airport, and I decided to stay over here overnight to the nearest onsen near to the airport. It's a hot spring water under the sea. So the hot spring actually tastes salty. I tasted a little bit. It's like quite nice. I've been to 2 onsen in this Okinawa. There's another 2 more in Okinawa, but I think the one I went the other day on the hillside is the best. The spring quality is amazing. The facility is good. Price is cheap. Room is big. This one is not bad. It's modern. The breakfast is amazing. The soundproof is good. The staff are very professional. All speak good English. And then what else? The bed is very, very good. So it's quite comfortable stay right over here. And I strongly recommend you to come over here before you go back to your country. From here to the airport, it takes about maybe 30 minutes. Slow ride. But I will go to Amowari Distillery, so I can maybe I can try on some of the activity, how to make distill the Amowari. Then I will go to pick up the airport takeoff right over there. So follow me.